Dude, we are in Moab, Utah. About to run one of my favorite trails, the Pickle. What do I remember, dude? I remember I lost the taillight. We were on 38. You know, we have a little bit of changes from last time, so kind of excited. I mean, you know, this trail's always fun for me. It's tight, requires a lot of technique, and then it's more of a short wheelbase trail. But you know, today we only have one other gladiator, so we're gonna see what we get into. Let him go first. Cheap things. Having a good time.
What's he line?
Most likely left. Just depending on how I want to kind of tackle this little turn right here.
You should try the right this time, Rex.
Randy's gonna try the right. You want to see a party?
Yeah.
It's because of the weight that I have.
I think I tried the right line last time and
You got hung up.
I did. I got hung up in the center.
But what's the key to this one?
That is a wheelbase too.
Momentum.
Well, I have the wheelbase. Fine.
Yeah.
That has a wheelbase.
Watch, you'll see. Check this one out. This one should be good. Traffic jam on the Pickle. Not too bad. Just wanted to check out the lines. Luckily there's a few more gladiators here, so we can kind of see what they get into.
Rex's redemption here. Last time he lost the tail light, crushed part of the bedside, you know, but he took this line though. This year he said he's going to try the bonus line, which it's not much any better, you know, so we'll see. But he's definitely scared right now.
Rex, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking maybe I'm going to try the line from last year. I mean, it looked easy enough, but you know, it's not. I'm going to try that line. We're just going to see if this guy doesn't roll it.
There you go, buddy.